Guys, something huge just happened in the AI world. The full source code of one of the world's most powerful AI coding assistants, Claude Code, just leaked online. And not partially, the entire client codebase, nearly 2,000 TypeScript files, tool usage logic system prompts agent orchestration, all exposed. Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Many people believe the most important part of AI products is the model, but that's not entirely true. What really defines the product experience is engineering orchestration. That includes how AI uses tools, how it manages context, how it plans tasks. And Claude Code is considered one of the best engineered AI agent systems in the world. The real secret behind Claude Code isn't just the code. It's the prompt orchestration system. This system tells the AI when to use tools, when to ask the user questions, when to refuse actions, when to request confirmation. These rules were refined through massive real-world usage. You could think of it as the Bible of AI coding assistants. So what does this leak mean? It means the industry's answer sheet is now public. Cursor can study it. GitHub Copilot can study it. Every AI startup can study it. Before this leak, everyone was experimenting. How to write prompts, how to orchestrate tools, how to design safety boundaries. Now, the blueprint is public. But there is also a major risk. Claude Code's security architecture is now public, including permission systems, sandbox mechanisms, command confirmation logic, prompt injection defenses. It's like a thief getting the blueprint of a lock. Security researchers can analyze it, but attackers can too. The AI reorganizes its memory when you're not using your computer, just like humans dreaming, making the AI understand you better over time. There is even a virtual pet system hidden in the code. 18 different creatures, 5 attributes, rare variations, generated from user ID randomness. The craziest feature? Press one button, and the system launches an AI bug hunting team. 5 agents by default, up to 20 agents, all reviewing your code simultaneously. What's even crazier is this. After developers dug through the leaked code overnight, they found that it doesn't just contain the current product. It also reveals a bunch of hidden features that haven't officially launched yet. In other words, the leak didn't only expose today's Claude Code. It also exposed the product roadmap for the next generation. The first hidden feature is wild. Your AI may actually get its own virtual pet. Inside the source code, there appears to be a feature called buddy/body. It includes 18 species, 5 attributes, multiple rarity levels. Common ones are easy to get, legendary ones are extremely rare, and there may even be shiny versions. The craziest part? The result seems tied to the hash of your user ID. So this isn't something you can simply refresh until you get what you want. It works more like a permanent AI loot box tied to your account. The second feature is even more important. Claude may no longer be just a passive tool that waits for you to ask something. It could become a 24/7 proactive assistant. It may keep a daily log, track your work continuously, and even proactively send you files, messages, or updates. That means future AI won't just wait for commands. It will actively participate in your workflow. The third feature sounds almost science fiction. The AI may actually be able to dream. When you're away from your computer, the system could start a background process to reorganize memory, summarize context, and repair messy information structures. In simple terms, the AI performs a kind of nightly self-maintenance while you're gone. It's very similar to how humans process memories during sleep. If this becomes real, AI systems could become much more stable and much more personalized over time. The fourth feature is Guardian Mode. In this mode, Claude is no longer just a temporary chat tool. It behaves more like a background service. Always running, always watching, always ready. Almost like a database service, a monitoring daemon, or a persistent system guardian. That suggests future AI may become a form of always-on infrastructure. The fifth feature is a big one. Right now, if you open 3 Claude windows, they don't really know what each other is doing. Each session is isolated. But the leaked code suggests that future sessions may be able to communicate with one another. That means multiple AI instances would no longer work in isolation. They could share information and coordinate tasks. The sixth feature is extremely useful for working professionals. Imagine starting a project on your office computer. The AI keeps track of your context, task progress, and file state. Then you go home, open another machine, and the entire session transfers over seamlessly. You don't need to re-explain everything. You just continue where you left off. The seventh feature feels much more like a true agent. You provide a task description, and the system launches a remote cloud instance. Then, over the next 10 to 30 minutes, it explores your project, analyzes the structure, evaluates feasibility, and identifies possible risks. At that point, the AI is no longer just answering questions. It's doing real project investigation and risk analysis for you. The eighth feature is the most explosive of all. You run a single command, and the system launches an entire cloud-based bug review team. 5 agents by default, up to 20 agents at the high end. They inspect your code from different perspectives. Logic problems, edge cases, potential bugs, architecture flaws, exception handling. And the whole process might take only 10 to 25 minutes. At that point, this is no longer just an AI assistant. It's more like summoning a temporary cloud engineering team. Many developers had the same reaction after seeing this leak. The era of AI agents might just have been accelerated. Future AI systems won't just assist developers. They will run autonomously, make decisions, build software themselves. This leak could reshape the entire AI tooling industry. Future competition may come down to just 2 things: model capability, product iteration speed. If you want more cutting-edge AI insights, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, bell, share with other developers. Because the AI world is evolving every single day. When you put all these hidden features together, the picture becomes very clear. Claude Code was never just meant to be an AI coding assistant. What they are really building is a complete AI agent system. One that can understand tasks, plan steps, use tools, write code, fix bugs, deploy software, almost entirely on its own. In other words, software development in the future might look like this. You simply say, "Build me this product," and the AI will analyze the requirements, explore the project, write the code, test the system, fix the bugs, deploy the application. All within minutes or hours. At that point, this isn't just an assistant anymore. It becomes a new way of producing software. And what this leak really did was give the world a glimpse of how next-generation AI agents are designed. After studying the leak, many developers came to the same conclusion. The era of AI agents just got accelerated. Before this, every company was experimenting independently. How to design prompts, how to orchestrate tools, how to manage context, how to build safe agent systems. Now, some of the most advanced design ideas have suddenly become visible to everyone. And that means something interesting may happen. Over the next few months, AI coding tools across the world might suddenly become much more powerful, because everyone is learning from the same blueprint. Of course, this doesn't mean AI will replace all programmers overnight. But one thing is becoming very clear. Software development is going through a major paradigm shift. In the future, the most valuable skill might not just be writing code. It might be designing systems, collaborating with AI, managing autonomous agents. In some ways, developers may evolve from people who write code to people who direct intelligent systems. And this Claude Code leak might one day be remembered as the moment the industry first saw the early form of the superagent era. If you want to explore how AI agents might change software development, where AI coding tools are heading, and what the next generation of AI technology will look like, you can find leaked source code on GitHub. Make sure to subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the AI world is evolving faster than ever.